Imagine the aroma of freshly baked donuts filling your kitchen. The sweet scent of vanilla and sugar blends perfectly with the warmth of the oven. You can almost hear the gentle crackle of the golden dough as it bakes to perfection. Now picture this. You made these beautiful donuts right at home, with ease. Thanks to the donut baking mold, creating bakery-quality donuts has never been simpler. It's not just baking, it's an experience you can savor. This donut baking mold is designed with you in mind. Whether you're an experienced baker or someone who's just starting to explore the joys of the kitchen. Crafted from high-quality, non-stick coated steel, it promises durability and ease of use. Say goodbye to the frustration of sticky dough, misshapen results, or broken donuts. With this mold, every donut slips out perfectly formed, effortlessly every time. Imagine creating perfectly shaped golden donuts right in your own kitchen, without the stress of sticking or cleanup hassles. With our donut baking mold, that dream becomes a reality. Made from high-quality, non-stick coated steel, this mold ensures that each donut comes out flawless, every single time. No sticking, no crumbling, just delicious, beautifully shaped donuts with minimal effort. Simply pour your donut batter into the mold, pop it into the oven, and let the magic happen. Thanks to its raised floor design, removing your donuts is effortless. Just lift them out with ease, and you'll have perfectly shaped treats every time. What's more, this versatile mold isn't limited to just donuts. You can use it to create pumpkin cakes, moon cakes, and even DIY soaps. It's the ultimate tool for any creative baker, offering endless possibilities. Available in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, the donut baking mold is ideal whether you're baking for a snack, a family breakfast, or a special event. And when it's time to clean up, the non-stick surface makes it quick and easy. Just a quick rinse, and it's ready for your next baking adventure. So why wait? Elevate your home baking with our donut baking mold. Experience the joy of perfectly shaped, delicious donuts, fresh from your own oven. Order yours today and bring a touch of bakery-quality magic into your kitchen. And it's not just for donuts. This versatile mold opens up a world of possibilities beyond your favorite sweet treats. Whether you're looking to bake pumpkin cakes for the fall season, delicate moon cakes for festive occasions, or even try your hand at making homemade soap, this mold is your all-in-one solution. Its durable, high-quality design ensures that everything you create, whether it's a delicious dessert or a thoughtful DIY gift, comes out beautifully shaped and effortlessly released. The non-stick coating means no mess, no frustration, and cleanup is always a breeze. Want to get creative in the kitchen? This mold makes it easy to explore new recipes and crafts, allowing you to have fun while you bake or create. Whether you're baking something special for a gathering or experimenting with new ideas, the donut baking mold is ready to handle it all. So, whether it's a batch of donuts for breakfast, pumpkin cakes for a cozy evening, or even a batch of personalized homemade soaps, this mold does it all. Its versatility makes it a must-have tool in any kitchen, perfect for every season, occasion, and creative project. Available in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, these molds are designed to adapt to your needs. Whether you're making personal treats for yourself or preparing party-sized batches for a crowd, you can choose the perfect size for any occasion. With this flexibility, you can easily bake just the right amount, no matter the event or craving. One of the standout features of our donut baking mold is its innovative raised floor design. This thoughtful addition transforms the baking experience, making it incredibly easy to remove your donuts without any hassle. Imagine this. You've just pulled a tray of delicious golden donuts from the oven, the aroma filling your kitchen, and now it's time for the moment of truth, removing them from the mold. With our raised floor design, you won't have to struggle or worry about your donuts sticking. Simply lift them out and watch as each perfectly formed treat slides right out of the mold, intact and ready to enjoy. Gone are the days of wrestling with stubborn dough. This design ensures a smooth, effortless release every single time. Whether you're baking for a cozy morning at home, a special occasion, or just because you crave something sweet, you can count on this mold to deliver flawless results. Each donut comes out beautifully shaped, allowing you to serve them as is or get creative with toppings and decorations. Imagine your friends and family marveling at your culinary skills as you present a tray of perfectly baked donuts, all thanks to this simple yet effective design. So say goodbye to the frustration of stuck treats and hello to a seamless baking experience. With our donut baking mold, you can focus on what really matters, creating delicious memories with your loved ones, one donut at a time. Thanks to the steel's high heat absorption, your donuts bake evenly, resulting in a perfect golden brown finish every time. This efficient heat distribution allows you to achieve delicious, evenly cooked treats while using less fat, making your donuts both tasty and a healthier option. Enjoy the delightful contrast of a crispy exterior and a soft, fluffy interior with every bite. Cleaning is a breeze, a quick rinse, and you're ready for the next batch. No fuss, no mess. Now unleash your creativity. Whether with glaze, powdered sugar, or colorful toppings, this mold sets the stage for fun. The Donut Baking Mold, your gateway to sweet possibilities. Start baking happiness today. Visit harristore.com.